share a quick story about my first ever experience with coaching. I thought it was crap. I was so confused. I was like, what's a life coach anyway? That's so weird. And why would someone recommend that I need a life coach? I'm insulted. But when I had my very first coaching session, the coach asked me something incredibly powerful, which was so simple, but she asked me, what do I want? Because when I got on the call, I could tell you what my boyfriend wanted. I could tell you what my parents wanted from me. I could tell you what society wanted from me, but no one had ever said, hey, Olivia, what do you actually want in your life? And I was put at this place where I was like, I literally don't know. I don't know. But the reality is I did know. No one had ever created a safe enough space for me to actually explore that. And then my coach said, let's get to work. Most people have no clue what the heck life coaching actually is. The ICF defines it as a partnership of co-creation. So you are using your coaching skills, which I'm going to get into in a minute, to help your clients clarify their goals, overcome their obstacles, or remove any blocks, and you're helping them take action toward the life that they actually want. Coaches are asking questions. So as a great coach, I cannot tell you exactly what to do. I would not tell you exactly what to do. I do not believe that my answers are the same as your answers. So in coaching, we are asking way more questions than we are giving answers. In fact, inside of a very well done coaching session, the coach is only speaking about 20 to 30% of the time. The client is using this space to answer the questions or generate a lot of responses, reflections, ideas, actions, commitments, all of that. So it's not even a space where the coach is yapping. We are not drawing on our experience to tell you how to have your experience. We are empowering you to come up with your own answers, your own way of thinking, being, and doing things. Ontology is the study of how you're being. So it's not just what you're doing, but it's how you are being. How are you showing up to your own life? Are you acting as the person who gets what he or she wants? You have this goal, you know the exact actions you need to take to create the life that you want, but you're not doing it. So a coach comes in and they help you create awareness around this. This survival mechanism, this way of being may have served you in some aspect of your life, but is it serving you to create the new life you want moving forward? This can only come from someone deeply, deeply listening to you and being able to reflect back how you are being, meaning you're using coaching sessions to really get a handle on life. And then our clients, we want them to be empowered, to be well planned and structured and held accountable for going beyond the coaching session, so into real life and being and doing the things that they say that they're going to do to create the life that they say that they want. And ultimately, people change faster when they are held accountable. People change faster when they are receiving high-level reflections. And that's the value of a coach. And that's why coaching works so well, because you have to confront yourself. Coaching is all about change. It's all about creating results. And professional coaching is so much different and so much more. But it does start with a heart of service. It does start with you being the person that people genuinely want to go to when they're in need. You are an inspirational person. You are a helpful human. You are someone that people look up to. You are someone who does what they say that they are going to do. You are someone that inspires others. This is often people that are coming from helping careers, teachers like myself. I was a teacher, nurses, healthcare professionals, mental health care professionals, HR people, any of these types of industries. Typically, we welcome you if this is what you know you want to do. I highly recommend you take a look at the notes below. We have the niche quiz. We have a free workshop for you to see if this is the right fit to get started in coaching. And I just want to say before we wrap that coaching really changed my life. Being asked what I want and having someone actually believe in it for the first time ever was a major, major game changer for me. And I know that it could be for you too. So if watching this has inspired you in any way, please be sure to leave a comment, ask a question. I answer every single question. I respond to every single comment. Subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you on the next one.